Good morning, buenos dias, we here.
Everything that we do is untraceable. Thinking gangster, that nigga's erasable. This bitch listen to too much Beyonce. She really thinks she irreplaceable. She talks this and they sit and smash.
Pulled up, we got Arlene's whip, we got Zay's whip, and then we got Jenny's whip, and then we got my whip.
Actually, that one's my whip.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Alright. But anyways, we're picking up our whip. It's the Cadillac, because you know, we moving big body with a couple big bodies. We're waiting on the guy right now so we can pick this up. And then, yeah, but we got a lot planned. See, once you get to Miami, you gotta throw the rollie on. Shit gets serious once you put this shit on. I was wearing the Apple Watch. I just didn't feel right. So here we are.
Show me love, don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body, yeah, yeah. Show me love so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body, yeah, yeah.
I turned it over.
What? How you doing, vlog? What's good? Surprise me, there's some shit in my nigga.
What's chicken wings?
Back at you. Is that everybody?
Cha.
Happy birthday, dear Lex. Happy birthday to you. Eat it.
Yo, Carmel.
Look at
I appreciate every single one of y'all.
Thank you, brother.
Pulling up to Miami. And yeah, I love every single one of you guys.
Literally since day one. Since then, same vlog. 2 type shit. Since day 2.